Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2014 Chevy Corvette Stingray. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. No paint chips, no scratches. The front looks fine. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver's door. I do not see any scratches or dents on this door at all. Everything looks fine. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. Alright, the back bumper is in good condition. Do not see anything wrong here. Everything looks spotless. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks fine, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger door. Everything here looks perfect, no scratches, no dents at all. Now the last fender and wheel. Okay, this fender looks good. It does have a scratch right there on the side, but the wheel is perfect. So the exterior of this car is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And we're going to start with the driver's seat. Perfect. Alright, the driver's side is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Okay, so the passenger side is in good condition as well. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. Let's start off with the center console. Now let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Alright, everything looks perfect here. I'm not seeing any wear and tear with any buttons. The shifter is in good condition. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Okay, the steering wheel looks very good. I'm not seeing any wear and tear with the buttons at all. And also the leather and stitching looks fine. So the interior of this car is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.